Welcome! Today, you will learn what a profit participation certificate is and why it can be interesting for investors and companies alike. A profit participation certificate is basically a security that grants an investor certain rights to the profits and liquidation proceeds of a company. Unlike shares, profit participation certificates do not grant a say in company decisions. However, owners of profit participation certificates are entitled to a share of the profits, which is usually higher than the interest on other financial products. Furthermore, they also participate in the liquidation proceeds if the company is dissolved. At the same time, however, they also bear a higher risk, as they have no guaranteed claim to repayment in the event of a loss. In contrast to shares, profit participation certificates offer no voting rights and no fixed entitlement to dividends. And unlike bonds, profit participation certificates are not necessarily associated with a set interest rate. There are also companies that make their returns dependent on business success. For investors, profit participation certificates provide attractive yield opportunities and the possibility of diversification. They are especially interesting for investors who are prepared to take a higher risk in order to benefit from potentially greater profits. For companies, profit participation certificates are a versatile way of raising capital without changing the voting rights structure. That can be particularly advantageous for financing growth without diluting control of the company. As with all investments, there are also risks with profit participation certificates. Yields are not always guaranteed and depend heavily on the success of the company. Investors should also carefully check if participation certificates fit in with their investment strategy. To summarize, profit participation certificates are an interesting form of investment for risk-tolerant investors who want to participate in the profits of a company without exercising co-determination rights. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you now have a better idea of what a profit participation certificate is. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. See you next time. AURAC AG, where quality meets reliability.